Do you suddenly feel like your pants are getting tighter or your stomach is about to explode? If you're not the kind of person who normally eats a lot, or if you can get full on small portions, feeling bloated isn't normal for you. Bloating can have many causes, being intolerant to certain foods, stomach allergies that irritate the mucous membranes, or even digestive problems. So it makes sense that lots of people that suffer from bloating are lactose intolerant. Apart from paying more attention to what you eat and how your diet affects your stomach, there are other things that you can do to get rid of bloating. Follow the tips we're about to give you in this video to lessen this uncomfortable feeling. If you're not constipated, consuming more fiber may actually worsen your situation. People with normal bowel movements should temporarily avoid fiber-rich foods, especially if your bloating is accompanied by a lot of gas. Chew slowly. Whenever you eat very quickly, you end up swallowing too much air every time you take a bite, causing it to get stuck in your stomach and fight to get out. The same thing happens whenever you drink through a straw. Cook your vegetables. Eating raw vegetables is better for our body than eating them cooked, but if you're feeling very bloated, cooked vegetables are the best alternative. Non-cooked foods can cause bloating because they take longer to digest. Avoid drinks that give you gas. Acidic or carbonated drinks can be prejudicial to your health, especially if you're struggling with bloating. Coffee, tea, juice, and alcoholic beverages are all examples of drinks that can give you gas. Sodas that are made with artificial sweeteners such as sorbitol and xylitol also have the same effect. Avoid fatty foods. Fried and fatty foods are the hardest to digest, and because of this, they irritate your stomach and make it feel heavy. There are foods that contain fats that are beneficial to our bodies and don't cause bloating or indigestion, such as the avocado. We recommend that you cut back on your fatty food intake and eat more fruits and vegetables. Food allergies. You should also make sure that your bloating isn't being caused by any allergy or intolerance that you may have, since lactose-intolerant people often have this problem. They don't have the necessary enzyme to break up the sugar present in lactose, therefore, they feel discomfort and swelling. In that case, it's best to avoid milk and its derivatives. To lessen the discomfort caused by your diet, try using the recipe we are about to show you. We are going to teach you how to make a drink that lessens stomach discomfort quickly and efficiently. Ingredients: 140 grams of papaya, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of dried fennel seeds, 1 cup of water. Instructions: let the fennel seeds steep for 20 minutes. Once the time is up, blend the fennel seed infusion with the papaya and aloe vera gel for a few seconds, then drink the mixture. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.